Hey, what's up internet viewers? For this video, I will be showing you how to start a zero-turn mower that won't even try to crank. You'll see right here, I pull the choke up, get it in the start position, turn the key, and nothing happens. But I have plugged up the jumper cables to my Gulu portable jump starter to the positive and negatives on the terminal. Also, I've cleaned the terminals off on the battery and boosted the battery up. We're going to be both diagnosing the issue and hopefully creating a temporary solution to get your mower started until you can put a new solenoid or solenoid, some people call it one, some people call it the other, on your mower. Here's the new solenoid that I bought from AutoZone, and here's the old one. Right now I just want to get the yard mode and get the mower started. So when the mower won't start, all you need is a screwdriver, just like this. Put the throttle all the way up, pull the choke up, and turn the key on. I'm going to put the phone down when I push the choke back in, but put your screwdriver in the middle, right here, of the solenoid, and this will both diagnose whether it's the solenoid that's the problem, and it will also start your mower by bypassing the solenoid. So let's do that now. Now put the choke down. And that's it. So I charged the battery terminals. I also cleaned the battery terminals off with a wire brush, made sure they were clean, and I jump started with this Gulu portable jump starter, and then I diagnosed the fact that it's the solenoid that needs replacing by putting the screwdriver in the middle of the solenoid there and bypassing it and letting it conduct electricity to the engine. So now the engine has a spark. And now your mower starts. This is a temporary fix until you can get a solenoid put in, or put one in yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video with others, and don't forget to leave a comment if you found it helpful. Also, show support below. It helps out a lot. Thank you.